Hi guys, so today we're going to make chocolate zucchini cake. So if you haven't tried any chocolate zucchini cake before, this is a perfect opportunity for you to try it. And if you're worried if there's going to be like a trace of zucchini in the cake because you find it kind of odd, there's really no trace of zucchini taste. The zucchini is just added for moisture, but really you won't even be able to tell that there's zucchini in this cake. So this is a simple cake, and I made some chocolate ganache frosting to frost the cake. So I hope that you'll stay until the end and watch the video. So let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. So today we're going to make some chocolate zucchini cake. So this is more like a vegetable cake, but you wouldn't really taste the zucchini, promise. I mean, like, the zucchini will just give moisture to the cake, but you wouldn't taste the zucchini. So that's really, I mean, I'm not kidding. So I have here all the wet ingredients mixed all together. I have the granulated white sugar, I have the brown sugar, I have the plain Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream. I have 2 eggs in room temperature, and I have the vanilla extract. And for the dry ingredients, I have all-purpose flour, I have cocoa powder, I have baking soda, baking powder, and then salt. And of course, we have here our grated and slightly squeezed zucchini, about 1 cup. So, so once you have that ready, what we're going to do is we are just going to mix the wet ingredients. So after melting the chopped chocolate, I added 2 tablespoons of honey. So I actually use like dark chocolate. You can also use semi-sweet, but I find that since I'm adding honey, I like the taste of a dark chocolate. So now that we have this, the next thing to do is for us to add our warm milk. Okay, so this is now our finished product. So I had it sliced so that we can try it. So let's give this a try. It's super soft and super moist. Mm. It's super decadent. And I don't really taste any zucchini in this cake. If you serve this and you tell your friends that this is just a regular chocolate cake, they would really believe you. There's no hint of any zucchini in this cake. It's soft, it's moist, it's decadent, and it's super easy to make. So yeah, I hope that you'll give it a try, and until next time. Bye!